How to manage your money like the 1%. The 50-30-20 rule simplified. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify personal finance so you can take control of your money and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're talking about how to manage your money like the top 1% using one of the simplest yet most effective budgeting frameworks, the 50-30-20 rule. This rule has helped millions of people, and with a few tweaks, you can use it to grow your wealth and take charge of your financial future. The wealthiest 1% of individuals around the world have mastered the art of money management, enabling them to grow their wealth while maintaining financial stability. While their income levels often set them apart, their approach to managing finances is something everyone can adopt. By implementing strategic habits and a disciplined mindset, you too can take steps toward financial success. Let's dive in. What is the 50-30-20 rule? So, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting strategy that helps you divide your income into three main categories. 50% for needs, essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. 30% for wants, non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and travel. 20% for savings and investments, money you set aside for retirement, emergencies, and future financial goals. This simple structure makes it easy to allocate your income without overcomplicating things. But here's the twist: the 1% don't just follow this rule. They tweak it to maximize their financial growth. I'll show you how later in this video. Why the 50-30-20 rule works. The 50-30-20 rule works because it's simple and adaptable. It ensures you're covering your essential expenses, enjoying life, and still building wealth. Unlike complicated budgeting methods, this rule doesn't require you to track every single penny, making it perfect for busy people. Think of it like a financial compass. By sticking to these percentages, you avoid overspending on wants and undersaving for your future, which is the downfall of so many people who live paycheck to paycheck. How the 1% modify the 50-30-20 rule. Here's where it gets interesting. The top 1% don't follow the 50-30-20 rule strictly. Instead, they adjust it to prioritize saving and investing over spending. For example, instead of allocating 30% to wants, they might reduce it to 20% or even 10%. The extra money goes into savings, investments, or other wealth-building activities. Their modified version often looks more like 40 needs, 10% wants, 50% savings or investments. This is how they accelerate wealth creation. By investing a larger portion of their income into assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses, they create additional income streams that grow over time. The 1% focus on wealth building, not just spending. Step-by-step guide to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. The first step is to figure out your after-tax income. If you're salaried, this is your take-home pay after deductions for taxes, insurance, and retirement contributions. For freelancers or business owners, subtract your estimated taxes and business expenses. Step 2. Break it down into categories. Once you know your after-tax income, divide it into the three categories. 50% for needs. For example, if your take-home pay is $5,000, $2,500 should go toward rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. 30% for wants. This means $1,500 for things like dining out, streaming services, and vacations. 20% for savings or investments. That's $1,000 toward your savings, emergency fund, or investments. Step 3. Track your expenses. Tracking is key to sticking with this plan. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to monitor your spending and ensure you're staying within your budget. How to maximize savings and investments the 1% way. To truly manage your money like the 1%, you need to focus on maximizing your savings and investments. Here's how. 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so that 20% of your income goes directly into savings or investment accounts. 2. Invest wisely. Start with low-cost index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. If you're more advanced, consider real estate or dividend-paying stocks. 3. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months' worth of expenses. This acts as a financial safety net, so you're not forced to dip into investments during emergencies. 4. Minimize taxes legally. The 1% know how to minimize their tax liability using legal strategies. They take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, deductions, and credits to retain more of their wealth. How to apply it: maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k, IRA, or HSA. Keep detailed records of tax-deductible expenses, especially if you're self-employed. Consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to identify additional opportunities to save on taxes. 5. Focus on income growth. The wealthy prioritize increasing their income through multiple streams. They don't rely on a single source of income. Instead, they create diverse revenue streams such as investments, businesses, royalties, and side hustles. How to apply it: look for ways to advance in your career or acquire new skills that boost your earning potential. Explore side hustles or freelance opportunities in your spare time. Invest in passive income streams like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. The 1% prioritize financial growth by consistently investing, even during tough times. This discipline is what sets them apart. 6. Surround yourself with the right people. The 1% often have a network of advisors and mentors who guide them in making smart financial decisions. They seek advice from experts such as financial planners, accountants, and attorneys. How to apply it: build a network of trusted professionals to help you navigate complex financial decisions. Join online communities or local groups focused on personal finance and investing. Avoiding common pitfalls. While the 50-30-20 rule is simple, it's easy to fall into some traps. 1. Underestimating expenses. Be realistic about your needs and wants. If you're constantly overspending, reevaluate your budget. 2. Ignoring debt. High-interest debt should be a priority. Allocate part of your needs category to paying down debt faster. 3. Lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, allocate more to savings and investments. Real-life example. Let's look at an example. Sarah earns $60,000 annually after taxes. Here's how she applies the 50-30-20 rule. Needs $50, $2,500 per month for rent, utilities, and groceries. Wants $30, $1,500 per month for dining out, subscriptions, and hobbies. Savings or investments: $20, $1,000 per month split between her emergency fund and index fund investments. Over time, Sarah increases her savings percentage to 30% as she pays off debt and grows her income. This adjustment allows her to save more for her long-term goals. Final tips to manage your money like the 1%. Managing your money like the 1% isn't about earning millions, it's about being disciplined and intentional with your finances. By following the 50-30-20 rule and tweaking it to prioritize savings and investments, you'll be on the path to financial success. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, track your progress, and keep learning about personal finance to optimize your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the 50-30-20 rule, or let us know your favorite budgeting strategy. See you next time.